Introducing the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Stay connected on the worksite in the full-size Silverado 1500 pickup. Its smooth, agile ride keeps you comfortable, while its rugged strength gets the job done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power door locks, power steering. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.